Welcome to our comprehensive guide on resolving a common issue faced by Windows 10 users: keyboard keys acting as shortcuts. If you've ever found yourself frustrated with unintended actions triggered by your keyboard, you're not alone. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process to troubleshoot and fix this problem. First, run the Hardware and Devices Troubleshooter. Open the Settings app. Go to Update and Security. Troubleshoot. Click on Additional Troubleshooters. Run the Hardware and Devices Troubleshooter. If not, fix it. Go the second method. Reinstall keyboard drivers. Go to Device Manager. Right-click on your keyboard device and choose Uninstall Device. Restart your computer. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any other questions.